Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today, y'all, your girl bit the bullet. I did a Bath & Body Works Halloween haul and y'all, I'm excited about some of this. Oh my gosh. Before we get too much into the video, y'all, today is, of course, my lip look is by me. I am wearing Berry Twilight from our Summer Lip Shimmers line. And y'all, all of our summer lip shimmers and summer lip jellies over at Banger Beauty by Mary, they're all marked down right now. I'm trying to get clearance stuff out. I have a ton of new stuff coming. And I think a lot of y'all did not even know that your girl has lashes too. Did you know that? Did you know? Did you know I got lashes? Did you know I got lashes? And guess what? All lashes are, I think, $2.99 right now. Yeah. So get over to Banger Beauty by Mary. Check that out. You don't want to miss it. Now is the time to stock up on a lot of this stuff. Honest to God. Okay, let's hop into this video. Y'all, if you saw my live this past Tuesday, I was freaking infuriated because while I was out of town, the Halloween line dropped. And I only wanted 4 items at that time. I wanted 2 full-size sprays and 2 minis. The total in my cart came to $66. I was like, oh, hell no, I ain't paying that. Hell no. So when I noticed I had a coupon that was about to expire like today, and the candles were marked down, and they had a buy 3, get 3 sale going on with body care. Y'all, I just bit the bullet. And I think the biggest thing was the fact I had that coupon. Because had I not had the coupon, I don't think I would have done it. But I ended up getting 3 candles and 7 body care items. Here's the receipt. Woo! And the total was $81. So for $81, yes, I will pay that for 3 candles and 7 body care items. But the best deal is, of course, when they have a body care sale. But it is what it is. I just bit one bullet and I took one for the team. So let's hop into this. We're going to go over the candles really quick first. I only picked up 3. But I have to get this one because every year I get it and I absolutely love it. It's Pumpkin Bonfire. I freaking love this one. This is so freaking good. What do they have? What is this note on here? What does it say? Oh, it's a luminary. I guess it's a luminary jar. Cool. Okay, Pumpkin Bonfire is white pumpkin, a bundle of clove buds, and glowing embers. Y'all, it's like the perfect combination of pumpkin with like a bonfire in the woods in the fall. And I freaking love this one. I absolutely love it. It's always been a high performer for me. Definitely recommend. I also did get Cherry Almond Shortbread. Hell yes. Scent notes are vanilla shortbread, candied almond, and cherry. Yo, y'all, I gotta pull my hair back for that one. Holy shnikes. Y'all, if they did a body care that smelled like this, I would buy everything in it. You get the cherry, you get the almond, but you also get that shortbread, that vanilla note, and it's heavy. This is fire. Fire, baby, fire. I did get 1 Halloween candle, y'all. Spooky Moontini. I thought this packaging was absolutely adorable. It reminds me of that old cartoon, that black and white cartoon with the skeletons dancing. I always see it come out at Halloween time, like on one of the 3 main channels, like for kids to watch the Halloween specials, at least when I was growing up. I haven't seen it in a while, but I think it's called the Spooky Dancing Skeletons, but that's what it reminds me of. Don't it? Yeah. Scent notes are Mystical Berry Potion, Spooktacular Sponge Sugar, and Spellbinding Citrus. And I love it. It has such a, it almost is like a sweet, candied, citrusy vibe, and I love it. You definitely get that berry. I'm actually kind of surprised that berry is prevalent. You get the sponge sugar, but then you also get this citrus note. I'm hoping this performs well. The coloring is beautiful. I love that color. Yeah. Oh, baby Jesus, please perform well for me, honey. Please, 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 please. Yes, okay. Into the body care. I did get one item for Anthony, and I said this before when I saw that this was coming out, that I definitely wanted to pick it up because the packaging alone drew me in for this men's care line. Immortal. Yep, Immortal. It has scent notes of black plum, suede saffron, and haunted woods. I have not smelled any of these yet, y'all. Any of them. Oh, I like that. Yo, let's just get a little more in here. I really like that, yo. Anthony's gonna love this. You definitely get that plum note in here for men, which I don't normally pick that up in men's products. But the saffron is the same type of a saffron note that you would almost find in Baccarat Rouge. I'm sniffing the air, y'all. And it definitely has a woody background base. Y'all, Immortal is good. Anthony's gonna love this one. Absolutely. For sure, for sure. I, of course, had to pick up a full-size spray in Gingham Glow. Y'all, I got the perfume mini and the mini hand cream, and on the cooler evenings, I've been wearing it, and it has really grown on me. I'm talking grown on me. Scent notes are golden nectar, marigold petals, and sun-soaked sandalwood. Y'all know I'm a sandalwood hoe. And the marigold in here gives it just enough spice that I freaking love this one. To me, it's almost like Golden Sunflower from Bath & Body had a baby with something spicier, like with marigolds and more sandalwood. I love this scent for fall, y'all. I'm super excited to wear this fall. Absolutely, 100%. Okay, now in to my Halloween body care. Y'all, of course, I did pick up Vampire Blood. Yep, Vampire Blood. Scent notes are red berries, night blooming jasmine, and petrifying plum. Same as the scent notes from previous years. Y'all, I feel like this is definitely lighter than last year's version. I don't know. I'm going to have to do the side-by-side comparison review video to be 100% on that. It is a good scent, but it smells lighter, y'all. You definitely get the berry, the jasmine, the plum, but it does smell lighter. This one I was very excited to try, y'all. It is Ghoul Friend. Ghoul Friend. They finally gave us Ghoul Friend in the... Oh, God. Look how pretty that is. Y'all, I'm digging the packaging, yo. Digging it. Scent notes are dark strawberries, ghostly peony, and spine-chilling citrus. Well, hey now. Yo. I'm a little impressed. I wish the strawberry note in this was heavier, but it is pretty. It does smell like the candle, and it actually smells like it could be strong. Yeah, you're not going to want to miss the review and comparison on this baby. No way, no how. The last three items, y'all, I could not help myself. I was like, if I'm going to go in, I'm going hard. I'm going hard, baby. I'm going hard. I did get Candy Apple Cauldron. I got her in the spray, the body cream, and the Shimmering Body Fizz, the Shimmering Body Lotion. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now, normally I do not buy these. However, I was very intrigued, and I'm loving this packaging simply for Halloween aesthetics. And I think this might actually end up being a fun thing. Like, look at the little apple on here. I think it's so cute. Hell yes, hell yes. But scent notes on Candy Apple Cauldron are mysterious green apple, simmering sugar, and crystallized bergamot. There was a lot of talk before that this was supposed to be like a caramel apple, right? Whatever. And based on the scent notes, I was like, I don't think that's it, honey. So now we're about to sniff this puppy, and we're going to find out. We're going to find out. Definitely not caramel apple. However, I'm 100% intrigued by this scent because it kind of smells like one thing, but the more I smell it, it smells like another, almost like a mixture of things. I definitely like it. That's for sure. Damn. It's not what I was expecting, but I am mad at it. I am mad at it. Yeah, we're definitely going to be having to do an in-depth review and comparison on Candy Apple Cauldron. I got some thoughts, y'all. Like, damn. Yeah. But that's everything I got for my Halloween haul from Bath & Body Works. What did you guys think? Have you picked up any of the new? What did you think of it? Let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to get over to Banger Beauty by Mary. Get you a summer lip shimmer or a summer lip jelly. They are marked down currently. I want to say they're like $3.99 or $4.99 each. So hell yes, grab them. Again, I'm wearing the one today, the Berry Shimmer, or Berry Twilight. I'm sorry, Berry Twilight. And don't forget while you're over there to check out the damn lashes, y'all. They are only $2.99 each. How can you go wrong with $3 for a set of lashes? Yeah. But anyway, y'all, we're at my favorite part. Ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.